Okay guys, so here I am just waiting for paint to dry. This is my brake booster and this is my clutch. So I'm just letting the paint dry now on this. It's an old part, it's been sitting on the shelf for years. It's still perfectly good and I'm just going to use it. So it was a little bit rusty here and there, no holes or anything like that, but I'm just giving it a quick coat of paint and it'll all look nice. Same with the clutch. I'm not sure whether it's good or it's bad, if it's leaking or not, but I'm just giving it a lick of paint. If it is leaking, it's no big deal. It's just undo two nuts, the pin here, pull out the old one, put a new one back in and forget about it. Same with this, but I think this is going to work perfectly. So I was going to go ABS, so this is one out of a slightly newer Volkswagen. This here is a sensor for your clutch or your brake pedal. So that sends a signal to your ABS, so your ABS knows how much pressure you're putting on your ABS or your braking system, and it'll apply equal pressure to balance it all out. I was going to use this, just have it in the car, just in the event that I ever decided to go ABS. Currently I'm going non-ABS, but these two holes should be straight and they're crooked. It's obviously out of a newer Volkswagen, and it doesn't sit like that. It actually does sit like that because the holes, all the pins at the back are upright, so it has to sit fairly crooked, and basically your reservoir will be off to the side. It just won't work. So this is why I'm using this one. I gave it a quick sand. This one was perfect. Give it a quick sand and paint it black and going complete non-ABS. Only advantage of going non-ABS, I don't have a pump to start with, and all the wiring. You'd literally want a full ABS car and literally take all the parts out of it and move it straight across. I don't have that luxury. The car I'm using was always a non-ABS car, so that's the way it's going to go.